Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Urban Time. On this channel, I only do reviews on money making applications and websites. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, you should go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click the bell sign in order for you to get notification once I upload more videos like this. Alright, today I won't be taking too much time. Let me go straight to the video we're going to be having today. Here we go. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how you can enable other cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. I got a lot of messages telling me make a video on how to do this, or people telling me how can I activate other crypto. So I decided to do this today. Alright, first of all, what you do is you come to this, you see your right top, here's this icon there. Here you can get other cryptocurrency you want, every other cryptocurrency you're looking for. Okay, let me take for example, we want to enable Ethereum just like this. We want to enable BNB like this, or let's Litecoin like this. Let me see. Okay, Dogecoin like this, and that's all. All you do, you go back, and you can see here they are all active now. So that's all for today. That's all for the video. It's very easy and simple. So if you like what you just watched and you want to see more tutorials on stuffs like this, smash the subscribe button and give me the thumbs up. Thumbs up is also going to motivate me to keep doing more videos like this, guy. Yeah, thanks a lot. Be safe. Ciao.